Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel GAMAARZ. Today we will review about ultra-thin 8-port USB car charger with LED display. In today's fast-paced world, staying connected is more crucial than ever, and keeping our devices charged while on the go is a constant challenge. The ultra-thin 8-port USB car charger with LED display aims to address this issue by providing a sleek and efficient solution for charging multiple devices simultaneously in your car. In this comprehensive review, we'll delve into the design, functionality, and overall performance of this charging accessory. The first thing that strikes you about the ultra-thin 8-port USB car charger is its impressive design. As the name suggests, the charger is exceptionally slim, fitting seamlessly into your car's interior without occupying too much space. The sleek matte finish adds a touch of sophistication, while the LED display on the top enhances the overall aesthetic. The build quality feels robust, with a durable shell that gives the charger a premium feel. The compact design is a welcome feature, making it easy to store and transport when needed. Equipped with 8 USB ports, this charger is a powerhouse for those who need to charge multiple devices simultaneously. The ports are intelligently designed to accommodate a variety of devices, from smartphones and tablets to GPS units and other USB-powered gadgets. The total output of the charger is commendable, ensuring that each device receives an optimal charge without compromising speed. The ports are strategically spaced to prevent overcrowding, allowing for easy and convenient access to each slot. One standout feature is the LED display that provides real-time information about the charging status of each port. This added functionality is not only aesthetically pleasing but also practical, giving users a quick glance at the charging progress without the need to check each device individually. The ultra-thin 8-port USB car charger excels in terms of user-friendliness. The installation is a breeze. Simply plug it into your car's power socket, and you're ready to charge. The LED display is intuitive, providing clear information about voltage, current, and charging status. The ports have a snug fit, ensuring a secure connection for all devices. Additionally, the charger incorporates advanced safety features such as overcurrent protection, overvoltage protection, and short-circuit protection, providing users with peace of mind during usage. The Smart IC technology embedded in the charger identifies the optimal charging speed for each connected device, delivering the fastest and safest charge possible. This versatility makes the charger compatible with a wide range of devices, catering to the diverse needs of modern tech enthusiasts. In terms of performance, the ultra-thin 8-port USB car charger truly shines. The charging speed is impressive even when all 8 ports are in use simultaneously. The intelligent distribution of power ensures that each device receives an efficient and stable charge, preventing any slowdowns or dips in performance. The charger's efficiency extends to its energy-saving capabilities, automatically entering a low-power mode when not in use. This not only conserves energy but also contributes to the overall longevity of the device. The combination of speed, efficiency, and reliability positions this charger as a top-tier option for those who demand high performance from their charger.